Welcome to Pydle Day 70. Pydle is a daily puzzle game you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a birthday cake with the message happy birthday and some love emojis. Have a go at solving this Pydle. If you haven't played Pydle before, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle to give you a flavor of how to do it. So yesterday's Pydle was supposed to look like in the Instagram logo. So use your imagination. So it's some of the elements are symmetrical. So we're going to use Cartesian coordinates. So let's do for x in range -2, 3. So the range function misses the last argument, so it goes from -2 to +2, and then do it for y in range -2, 3. Okay, let's focus just on the white square, and that's going to be simply if absolute value of x times y equals 1, so that covers the corners, and for the kind of the other middle pixels, we do or absolute of x plus absolute value of y equals 1. Okay, then we do Pydle. Now we need to convert back to Pydle coordinates, and that's going to be x plus 2 and 2 minus y. The reason it's 2 minus y is because the Pydle coordinates is inverted from Cartesian, so it goes from top to bottom. And there's no character, and that's white. Okay, that does that. Now the purples, we can simply do else if and we can say if y greater than equals 0, so everything above, including the kind of the y axis, that needs to be purple, because we've already excluded the whites in the previous if statement. So if y greater than equals 0 or x equals 2. Okay, so let's just copy that over. Okay, that needs to be purple. Okay, so we've got that. And we just can do an else. And yellow. Okay, you notice that doesn't solve the Pydle because there is a character there. It's the white circle emoji. So we need to insert that on one of the purple pixels. So we should say there, here. Let's look for purple. The white circle emoji. If, and we're just going to use the kind of compact way of specifying kind of a coordinate, and that's top right, so it's going to be 2, 2. Okay, so that statement basically says draw the white circle emoji if x comma y, the tuple equals 2 comma 2, and that's the top right. We could have done x equals 2 and y equals 2, but that's kind of longer and not as easy to understand. Okay, let's run that, and that solves the Pydle. Hope you managed to solve that. If you haven't, just follow what I just did and just prove to yourself it works, and then have a go at solving today's Pydle. See you again tomorrow.